We know this. Gas prices are soaring out of control, and it's really made it difficult for many Americans to drive places outside of the absolute necessities like school and work. Some people are spending up to $100 to fill their tank. Mohammed Abdallah and Pablo Vial from Good Faith Energy are here to help us and explain why now is the perfect time to make the switch and go electric. Thanks for being here. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Hannah. Thanks for having us again. As you know, gas prices are out of control, like you just mentioned, and every major auto manufacturer on the planet is rolling out their own version of electric cars. Good Faith Energy takes a very holistic approach when it comes to installing EV charging installations. We make sure to couple them with solar panels, battery backup systems, so your home is as resilient as it gets.
Yeah. And
most importantly, electric cars are quieter, more affordable, cleaner, and most importantly, faster than your gas-powered car.
What? Faster? Okay, you guys are going to have to prove this. So, like you were saying, you guys really do it all. And last time you were here, you were talking about battery backups, solar panels to stay powered when the grid goes down, because we all experienced that last year. Mm-hmm. Here, we're going to talk about how presumably more affordable these options are than we may think. So, Mo, why should someone consider making the switch to an electric vehicle? Because you guys, we are in Texas. We like our trucks. We like our gas guzzlers. So you're going to have to sell this.
Well, I'm going to pass the baton on.
Yeah, I'll take this question.
Okay.
All right, so we drive fully electric. We're not just here trying to sell you electric cars.
Okay.
One of the most important things that people consider with any car is the payment, right? And so typically on electric cars, the payment's going to be a little bit higher. But the things that people aren't considering are the insurance cost.
Yep.
Okay, the service and maintenance cost, as well as the fuel cost. Okay. Those last three things typically are more affordable on electric cars than they are on gas cars. And when you're talking about spending $200 to $500 a month on gas, now you can actually afford a much more expensive car because electricity is way, way cheaper than gas.
Yes, and I think as the future goes on, we're going to see this problem or issue continue. Right. So there do seem to be a lot more options on the market now. How can people afford, you're kind of talking about this, to really switch? Any other thoughts on that, to go from switching and really laying out those different price points?
Sure. So I have a lot of data that people ask me about. Okay.
Yeah.
So for example, I drive a Model S. My wife drives a Model 3.
Yeah.
Okay. And I can track how much I've spent on charging it at home. Okay. And what that means is now I can see exactly what my cost was. Mm-hmm. For me, it's a little bit different. I charge at work with solar panels, so it's a lot more affordable for me. So my old Toyota FJ Cruiser was way more expensive than my Tesla Model S when you add up all those factors. My wife, on the other hand, she drives down to downtown Dallas and McKinney, back and forth every single day, and she spent about $450 for the entire year on charging at home. I spent $270.
Okay, come on, guys. That is absolutely for the entire year.
The entire year.
All right, so we're talking about charging, right? Sure. This is one of the big questions I hear from people. They go, great, I've got an electric vehicle, but where do I charge it? Where are these things? What would you tell people that have that concern?
Well, most people don't realize that your charging station is going to be right in your garage.
That's nice.
So every night you're going to come home from work, you're going to stick your charger in, and you're going to wake up the next morning similar to having a full tank of gas. How often do you really run out of a full tank of gas when you start with a full tank of gas in a single day? Never. And really the only time you're concerned about the range of an electric car, which is really the same range of a fuel tank, about 300 miles, is when you're on a road trip and you're really having to stop now at a DC fast charger for about 30 to 45 minutes, but they're really conveniently located at, but businesses and, entertainment hubs. So
I've been noticing more and more just out and about. Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Okay, so you have this product right here, and we're talking about the process of charging at home. Mm-hmm. How do you do that? How does it work?
Great question. You call us or go to our website at goodfaith.energy.com. You click on the tab EV charging. You fill out a form where there's just a couple of questions about what kind of car you bought and when you're getting it delivered. And we'll come out with our certified electricians, install a charging station at your home. If you're worried about an electric car running out of gas, you can purchase one of these EcoFlow Delta Pros.
That's tiny.
On our website.
Yeah.
This is like a portable battery powered generator. It can charge off of a normal outlet, off of solar, or off of a charging station, and it can provide about 10 to 20 miles worth of range to an electric car that's dead. That's plenty of mileage to get you to the next charging station.
Yeah.
You can find it on our website today at goodfaithenergy.com/shop.
Okay.
And use the promo code Good Morning Texas.
Ah, there you go. You guys.
5% off.
Oh, well, thank you. And our viewers, thank you as well. Thank you guys for coming here and really dispelling any questions I think people may have. This has been fascinating, and I might be giving you guys a call pretty soon. So thank you. All right,
Thank
so go to goodfaithenergy.com, select EV charging to get a quote today.